Hi guys, so we are walking in the streets of Masindi. Here is post office. I've been seeing this building for very many years since I was young. So we're going to my former school. Yeah, we're going to get some documents from there that are needed. And I was like, why not? Let me bring you guys along after making my nails. Yo, this is the Venue Hotel. I'm with my what? Say hi to my people.
Okay, hi everyone.
My sister.
Hi guys. How are you doing?
Tell them to subscribe.
Oh my god. Miss I don't know why she's insisting on me. Okay, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Watch our videos till the end. Yeah.
What are you waiting
The
for?
sun is too much. Yeah?
Yeah, we are walking, but we are almost there. Do you want to see? Oh, we are walking.
That is country.
This is Country Inn. You can see.
Before this road was muddy.
Ah, you guys, this road. Hey, comment down below if you ever went, if you are an OG of this primary school. You guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this road, because this is a whole transformation, you guys. A whole transformation. You guys, I used to see that building since I was young, like when I used to come here for kindergarten classes, I think. Yeah, I used to see this building, and here we used to come here for studies. When they are showing us those things, I even don't remember them. I don't want to know them. So basically, we were like, you guys have to come and see, like where I went for kindergarten. This was called Hotel Aribas. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it was Hotel Aribas, but these days I heard they sold it, they bought it. Now it's Lado Hotel. I haven't gone there, but you guys, I'm going to take you there soon. You feel me? This used to be you guys, this is the High Court. This flat is the High Court.
High court upper, high court lower.
And this is
High court lower.
all I know, they're all, it's all a court. It's one building, it's one court, you know, but I've forgotten there's a difference between the two. So let's go. You people, I can already see my former primary school. If you have come to this school, comment down below and let me know what you think. This school has totally changed, you know. Okay, it hasn't changed a lot, but the road, you guys, it's everything. Look at the road, you guys. We've come, we're almost reaching. I'm so hungry. I'm super hungry, you guys. When I got done with making my nails, I was like, yo, it's like I haven't eaten anything like in 2 days. That's how I feel in my stomach. Pray for us so that we find when the offices are open, because the documents that we need are in the office. So wish us luck. I pray I don't meet those primary teachers, those ones who used to beat me, because I don't want to collect my energy to say hi, how are you, and all act nice, you know. This is the school. Approaching the gate, I see some clothes outside. I think those are boarding school kids. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there used not to be a boarding section that time when we came here to study. Yeah, this is the stadium, you guys. You want to see? Okay, you people, when I was in this school, people used to scare us that, hey, that stadium has ghosts. That stadium has ghosts. Every bad thing they used to say about this stadium. So let's peep and see. It hasn't changed that much. Oh my god. You see the other side, it's big. It slopes up to the other end. And I think it's very big. Oh, ew, I feel the toilet. This tree has been there for a very, very long time. They've never caught it, and they used to be like, hey, there are thieves up there on that tree. A lot of shit, man. So let's enter and see. So this is the school, guys. It looks up to end the other side. This used to be my P3 class. Yeah, I used to study in this class, you guys. P3Z. Oh, they even got a school van. See? My primary school. Yeah, this was P3 Tiger. I wasn't in this one. And then my P2 class.
This was P2 Tiger.
I was in this P2 class. Yeah. So basically that's it. The school van, boarding kids. That's the primary section. That's nursery. Hello. We've come for my sister's name. She finished P7 long time ago. Stop, you go. We are going to check, eh? We're going to go through the file. We are going to go through the file. Okay. This school is so big. It goes up to that end, those ends down, and it's green. That's one thing I like about it. It's so green. There is this section, and behind the other side, there is the main hall. Just know it's really big. It ends up to the other side, but you know what? We want to go up to that side. We gotta go home. We've given you a glimpse of one of the schools that we went to, especially in the lower section. So basically, that's it for now. It wasn't a bad school. Those days it used to be one of the coolest schools, I think. And the most performing, the best performing schools. I'm so tired, I'm so hungry, I'm everything right now, I'm so messed up. I feel like we are going to go to our auntie's. One of our aunties has a restaurant in town, so why not? We are going to go and we have lunch there before we head home. Yeah, so that's it. But I'm not going to vlog when I'm at her home. Yeah, some people like their privacy. Until we are okay to come out in the camera, then it's okay. But for now, we shall keep it unknown. So basically that's it. Let's go and buy some food and we eat. You guys, I forgot to tell you to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, your family members, everyone. Tell them to like, subscribe, comment, share, so that they can make the family big, you know. Yo, my sister is tired. You people, content creation needs, you have to be like
persistent.
You should be confident first of all,
regardless of
and
the sun. Regardless
should,
of the sun, you have to act like as though you're okay, you're smiling, you know, and yet deep inside you, yeah? The heat
you're
is
dying.
totally burning
Now,
you.
right now, I'm tired of holding the camera. So that's why I'm giving it like a break. Peace. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to make sure you like this video, comment and share. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Have a good day. We're going for lunch right now. We are so hungry and the sun is totally burning us.
Yeah.
Make sure you watch our video, like, share, and watch it till the end. Why not?
Yeah.
Guys,
Support me. Support your girl.
but how many times have I told you goodbye? You people, I'm just tired of saying goodbye, but goodbye. About the 5th time, about the 10th time. I
Okay,
don't know.
bye. Let's meet in the
Bye.
next video. Peace.